Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood here from WP-Tonic, and in this video, I'm going to be giving you advice on what are the best learning management plugins for WordPress at the end of 205 and the beginning of 206. There's a number of great solutions out there, but we got I and WP-Tonic got a ton of experience in this. I'm going to get straight to it, but I'm going to have a quick break first. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. Coming back, folks. So, what are the masters of the learning management plugins for WordPress? Well, let's start off with a really popular one and one that we love at WP-Tonic, and that's Lifter LMS. It comes free. It's pretty fully functioned, even the free version of Lifter LMS, to actually sell subscriptions. To sell your courses, you will need to buy an add-on for either Stripe or PayPal. I would recommend that you just buy the add-on for Stripe, and that's around $150. But the free version, like I say, is fully functioning. They have packages, they have Earth, Universal, and finally Infinity. In the Infinity bundle, which is normally about 1,400, you get over 20 add-ons. It's very feature rich. It's got a really nice interface. Like I say, if you host with WP-Tonic, you get the Infinity bundle as part of our hosting bundle. So you get all the power of Lifter with your hosting. Like I say, I think it's a really good choice. I would classify it as being in the top three, and probably I would, depending on the circumstance, I would place it number one, basically. Let's go on to another popular one, LearnDash. LearnDash has been around slightly longer than Lifter LMS, extremely popular as well. Got a clean interface. It's got all the power of Lifter LMS. The only thing is, to really sell subscriptions, you need a membership plugin with it, and that causes a bit of confusion. With Lifter LMS, you can sell courses directly or with WooCommerce or Fluent Shop, or but with LearnDash, you have to buy a membership plugin. I say that it is possible to set it up without a membership plugin or without WooCommerce, but it's a bit clunky. So you'll be saving yourself a lot of trouble by buying a membership plugin. We like Sure members with it. It does come with its own membership plugin. You do have to pay extra. It's okay, but we prefer Sure members. Another really popular one is MemberPress. It's a bit pricey. If you're really looking at MemberPress, I think you'd be better off using WooCommerce myself. But other people would have different opinions, but that's my honest opinion with LearnDash. If you really need a higher degree of membership plugin than you get with Sure members, I would go with the WooCommerce solution with it. But it's an extremely easy to use, powerful plugin, and most of the functionality it offers, it's the equivalent of Lifter LMS. Apart from the need for a membership plugin, there's not a tremendous difference between the two, but Lifter LMS, especially if you get the Infinity bundle, you've got a lot of power being offered to you in one unified interface. Now, another popular one is Tutor LMS. Offers everything that the previous two have. The free version is extremely popular. It really, if you want to take subscriptions, you really got to go down the WooCommerce route with Tutor LMS. It's really designed to work with WooCommerce, which isn't a bad thing, folks. So very popular because of the free version. But if you want a teach subscription, you would be recommended with Tutor LMS to go with the WooCommerce route. Another new one that's been getting a lot of traction is Creator LMS. It comes from the WP Funnel people. It's got a great background. They're great. They have about 3 or 4 really popular plugins, and they've added this one. It is less powerful than the previous 3 I mentioned, but it's much easier to set up, and it's got a modern interface. It would be definitely something I would look at. If it meets your requirements, give it a go. They're also offering some great lifetime deals at the present moment with the plugin. So definitely have a look at that. And finally, another one is Fluent Community. This really offers forums, Facebook type groups, but you can also, it has a course selling element to it as well. It can work with Lifter LMS and LearnDash as well, and Tutor. But it's definitely, I felt I needed to add it to those that I'm talking about in this video. There's a number of other choices out there. I've done an article, you'll find the link in the video show notes, where I go into almost all of them, the ones that you should consider, basically. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like the video, and think about subscribing to the WP-Tonic channel. I make these videos almost every week to help you out, and it really does show YouTube, if you subscribe to the channel, that I'm doing something right. Also, if you've got any questions, just put them underneath the video, and I try and answer any question that comes up in the comments. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.